Hi guys, how are you? My name is Vijay and welcome to our YouTube channel Minutes of English. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to say goodbye to people when we leave them. And in the last, we will also learn a new word of the day. So keep watching this video till end and I'm sure you will like this word. So let's start. A formal meeting. Oh, I have another appointment. I have to go. No problems, John. See you later. Yes, goodbye, Peter. It was pleasure talking to you. Same here. Another formal example. Thank you for the wonderful party. You are welcome. It was a pleasure. We have to leave now. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you soon. Friends at a bus stop. My bus is here. See you tomorrow. Bye, Peter. Bye bye, John. Another informal goodbye. Hey, gotta go. Catch you later, Peter. Sure, John. See ya. One more example. Hey, John, I'm going home now. Okay, Peter. Take care. Sure, you too. We come to end up this lesson now, and the word of the day is hypothetical, which means fictional logic. It is spelled as HYPOTHETICAL. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing our videos, and I'm sure you have enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again in our next interesting video. Be sure to hit like and subscribe button and don't forget to press bell icon to get a new video updates. Thank you, goodbye, signing off.